Alright, so here's the df02 monster truck ready to thrash. I got this sweet Goodwill truck body. $1.99 at the Goodwill. I just had to put it on here. And so it's all together, and we're running a King Motor electronic setup here. Let's go thrash this thing. Alright. Don't hit the mailbox. Alright, now that we did some street passes, let's see if we can do some rock passes here. How am I going to do this with one hand? Oh, I have an idea. Here we go. So what we'll do, we'll set this here. Now that it's got big tires, we can totally do rock thrash. I wonder if we could crawl up this boulder without hardly using any throttle at all. Let's see. See if we can just do quarter pedal. Oh, spin out. There we go. I think the tires in this thing are just a little bit too hard. Some really soft tires I think would be way better on these rocks. Alright. Well, anyway, so there's the monster truck. Gravel Hound df02, TT02, Plasma Edge, upgraded to monster truck style. I think we'll do another video, do some hardcore mud and nasty hill climbs next. So keep tuned for that.